Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Uncommon Performance. I'm Travis, and thank you again for tuning in. Today is a great day. Today is the day that my header is going to be in my possession, and I am wicked excited about that. On my way to go get it, just punched out at work. Oh, that's a big dip. Oh man. So it was being shipped by FedEx, and it was there was a signature that was required for it, and luckily there was a FedEx holding location literally right up the street from my house. So lucky for me, all I gotta do is go to Walgreens and then sign for it rather than waiting for a different day or something like that. And it's gonna be exciting. Definitely not putting it on today, but I can't wait to see it. And when I am done at the Walgreens, I'll be back. Hey guys, it's in. I got it. I am so excited. Well, a little shocked actually that it all fits in here. I mean, the weight feels about right. I'm so excited. I didn't even leave the Walgreens parking lot. You can actually see the word pharmacy right there still. I'm so excited. Let's go home and open it up. All right, so I get home and there's even more Christmas presents for me. I got my fenders out on the porch. The fender and the fender well, those are out on the porch in the box still. I'm not going to do an unboxing on that. It's nothing special. It's just factory fenders because mine is all messed up. But that big box, that is my chin splitter for the front of the car. That's going to go on the bottom there and look gorgeous. But there's a slight issue. Possible issue. I'm not too happy about it, but in a second you guys will see. It showed up with that massive honking hole in it. Now, if it's not damaged, I'm not going to worry about it. But there's potential for damage there. That's not a little hole. It's not just a crack or a cut or something in the cardboard. That is easily big enough for me to fit my head in. But for now, we're going to unbox this that I am so excited about. OBX Motorsports. Now, this is to me, it's a really small box for what is supposed to be in here, so we may be in for a surprise or we may not be. So I also got a set of gloves, because if you get the oils from your hands all over the metal of the headers when they first get fired up and they start to do their color change, the oils from your hands can cause them to look weird and odd, I guess. So I got a set of gloves. Doesn't really matter what kind of gloves. They're just cheap $5 ones I got from work. But better safe than sorry. So, let's get this going, because I am so excited. So excited. I need to start carrying my knife on me. It's a whole bunch of foam. Foam that don't want to let go. Oh, it is both pieces. I mean, I'm not really all that surprised. It's a small engine. But let's continue with this garbage out of the way. Oh, you see a little bit of it poke out there. Oh, what the hell? So here's the gaskets. This package is open. Um, doesn't look bent or damaged at all. Even the cardboard doesn't have any creases in it, so that's okay. What's this? A little thank you note from them. Packing slip. Let's hope the hardware is floating around here in the bottom. What's this? Oh, it comes with a lifetime warranty. Cool. What's this? Disclaimer, not for for off-road competition racing use only. This product is not intended to be installed on vehicles registered for highway use. Legal in California only for racing vehicles that may never be used or registered or licensed for use upon a highway. It literally says, legal in California only for racing vehicles that may never be used. If someone's going to build a racing vehicle and never race it. So the first piece is going to be the downpipe that comes out. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, that looks good too. Nice flex in it. I like it. I like it a lot. It's a 2.5-inch outlet. Put that off to the side for now. And yep, the header hardware's rolling around the bottom. Oh my god. It just almost rolled off the couch. So hardware is here. I don't know if that happened at the factory or if that just bouncing around in the package knocked those out of their original packaging. I don't think there's anything else in here. Nope. That's it. This part is the part I'm excited about. Ooh, look at that. For some reason, it looks a little different than in the picture. I swear in the picture it looks like it comes out and just goes straight down. So it should use the factory mounting hardware up here on the flange, and then it comes with these bolts for this flange, and then the bottom side will use the factory hardware, maybe, if I remember correctly. I hope the cat doesn't have the studs built into it because I'm deleting the cat. But it comes with all the gaskets. The lower gasket, that's going to go on that end of the downpipe. Then it comes with the gasket for right here and a new manifold gasket. Goes against the block. So that is freaking pretty. I am so absolutely excited. Alright, so I did just check the pictures again on the internet, and they do look exactly the same. I don't know what I was thinking, what I was looking at. Not sure. Maybe I was visualizing a different set I was looking at. I think it's a Skunk 2 set. I'm not sure. Another one I was looking at online. Let's see. Let's get this lit kit opened up. So the damage was like right in the middle of the box there, so checking that area first. Look, and it comes with a whole bunch of self-tappers. Surprise, surprise. It's plastic, not fiberglass. That's exactly how it was advertised. That's good. Wouldn't be the first time I had something advertised wrong like that. Just a barcode. Besides some defects in the actual plastic, it doesn't look that bad. I think it goes like this on the car. So those defects you won't even see anyway. That is going to look so nice on there. I'm so excited. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do any work on it until Friday. But, yeah. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys are just tuning in for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button down the bottom, smash that like button, and until next time. Also, guys, I wanted to just add in one more thing. I think I've decided that for now, I'm just going to do one weekly video on Wednesdays. If I ever have update videos, I may do 2 or 3 minute videos in between that one weekly video, but it's going to be Wednesdays. I'm going to be doing the main one weekly video for now. In the future, depending on how this goes, I may up that, but I'm going to do my best to make sure I got at least one video for you guys every single week. Thanks again.